So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make text all lowercase letters here in Microsoft Word. So once you have Microsoft Word open up, I want you to go ahead and type in whatever you want. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to turn caps lock on and just type in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I just typed in the entire alphabet. Look at me go. If I wanted to make this a little bit larger so it's easier to see, I can go ahead and do that for you guys right there. Now, if you wanted to make this all lowercase or whatever reason, or make it all lowercase, it's pretty straightforward. What you can do is you can actually highlight the entire thing or highlight whatever words you want to make all lowercase letters. You can go to this top bar right here. So make sure the home bar is selected. Go all the way over to where you see this capital A and this lowercase a, which means change case. Press on the arrow right here. Now there's sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. We're going to go ahead and press on lowercase right here. And by doing that, we actually make all of the capital letters lowercase in this situation. So a pretty straightforward process, but that's how you guys can make text all lowercase letters here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.